This is a Grand Central bound shuttle. The next and last stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street. This is Grand Central, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, and 7 trains. Connection is available to Metro North. This is a Times Square 42nd Street bound shuttle. The next and last stop is Times Square, 42nd Street. This is Times Square, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 7, A, C, E, N, Q, R, and W trains. Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.